Hello everyone, welcome back to Carl is on it. So today I come straight out of work, got a nice mod that we're going to do today. So we got this old indicator bulb holder from here. You can see it's quite dated, to be fair, and now I'm going to be replacing that with a tinted black one, which I said ages ago. So in this box now, finally got my hands on a set of LED indicators that have also been tinted in black. So let's pull it out here. It's been nicely packaged as well. So I'll pull one out from here. Let's take this one out now. And there we have it. This looks absolutely amazing. It's in a smoked. It's got a smoked sort of tint to it. So you can see the difference between that and that. And plus it goes with like the black theme of the car, the black and black contrast. So once I remove this piece, it'll just set the car off so much better. And plus, once I put this on, it looks absolutely amazing. Anyway, let's get straight to it. So first of all, gotta remove this. This is pretty much quite loose already, hence why obviously I wanted to swap it out. So to remove that, you pull this out. There's a tab right here, right over there. So what you do is you pull that tab down. Let me just pop the new one down. Pull that down, press that, and you can sort of pull it. I'll just pop this on my head so then I'll show you guys me taking it out. So it's just this tab over here, press that down, and that's it really. It's so easy to sort of remove. So you do that. I've also tried removing, there's these two with the BMW, they put some like adhesive around the side. So you pretty much can just sort of scrub that off sort of thing. And then with the new one, we're gonna apply some Pre-M tape around the edges and pretty much connect that and bolt it on. It's as simple as that. So let's get straight to that. So we've got some Pre-M tape. This is one of the best sort of tapes you can use really, that would pretty much help the thing to stick on, just like how it's held my spoiler down. If you guys haven't seen the previous video, check that out for the lip spoiler install. But yeah, so everything I have with me, I'll leave a link in the descriptions for you to go grab one. So yeah, let's get this Pre-M tape placed on the edges of the actual indicator holder. So let's do this. So what you want to do is, first of all, I've pretty much removed there's a piece on there with this on there, so I'll pretty much remove this, as you can't really stick the Pre-M tape onto this. So remove that first of all, and then you just apply it all around the edges. Right, I'm going to cut this piece off now. Make sure you apply it onto the edge as much as you can so you can cover all the area. And then we're going to do another one for this piece here as well. Here we go. So the next stage of the process is to remove the red tape. Well, first of all, you connect it to this bit here. You just basically pop it onto there like that. Well, use two hands ideally. And then after that, test it to make sure it works. Once it works, then you remove the red bit from there and attach it straight on. So you have to make sure it's right away, of course. And attach it straight onto there, and that's really it. Anyway, what I'm going to do is now I'm going to attach it on and then give it a try and see if it works. So before you apply anything on now, what you need to do is clean the surface so it'll give it a better chance for the adhesive to stick on. So I'm going to clean that now. I've got some alcohol, got a microfiber cloth, towel, and I'm going to clean it up first. Link in the description for all the stuff I used. Let's do it. So the area is now clean. I don't know if you can see that, but it's now pretty much clean. So I'm now going to apply the LED headlight on there. So I'm going to remove the backing tape of it and then pretty much apply it on. So let's do this. Right, so what I'm going to do now, remove the backing tape from here. Actually, first let's give it a test so you guys know what it looks like. Get it on the first time. Right, so let's stick it on like that. It's the wrong way. There we go. And now hit the indicator. Look how nice that looks. My life. So it gives you that nice swish movement. Rightio, so now let's remove the backing tape and then get this fitted on properly so it's nice and secure. Okay, this is the hard bit now. If you ain't got fingernails, you're screwed. Let me tell you now. There we go. After about 10 minutes of trying to remove the sticky tape, it's now done. Right. Make sure it's all in place. Sit down. Now, let's connect it and get the party started. Place. There we go. Press it down. Let's make sure it works first. There we go. It's working nicely. It's into place. And now it's pretty much firm. Obviously, the longer you press it, the more the sticking properties would stick onto it. So that way it goes on. So, I'm just going to do the other side now and then wrap the video up. If one side is hard to remove, try and find like a pry tool that you can sort of get in between it, and then you just sort of pull it against the panel and try and sort of wedge your way around it so it can pretty much pry itself out. Yeah, so this one was quite hard to do as opposed to the other one, so yeah, let's get this one changed now. Right, the other piece is now gonna be applied on now. There we have it. So I'm gonna try it out, make sure it works again. And there we have it. It's working nicely. Right, time to stick that on, and then it should be done from there. So now the LED lights are now officially installed, looking absolutely amazing. Black and black theme going on there. Angel lights have been done as well. LED indicators have been put onto black grills, black wheels, car's looking all blacked out. Shout out to my bros, Reese and Riley, and also Dylan pulling some wheelies down there. These guys just been standing by watching the video. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!